That's the distance sa imong centroid padung asa ka magkuha og moment of inertia. And x-axis, your h, ang atong so for this one, if dili ta mag-moment sa x, let's say ix, so this will be our height, then mo na to ang base. And if dili na pud ta mag-moment, let's say sa y-axis, let's say magkuha og inertia sa y-axis, mo na pud yang may mo na tong height. Then this will be our base. So let's start with y-axis na lang. Iy. So again ha, if aha mo mag-moment of inertia, if along y-axis or along a vertical line, your h must be perpendicular to that axis. So ari man ta mag-moment or moment of inertia sa y-axis, ang atong height is kani nga dimension sa tong strip. So going back to our strip, diba this is y upper minus y lower for this one. Then this is kaninga portion. This is dx. So by applying this concept, IC plus AD squared, if arita mag-moment of inertia sa y-axis, ang atong B, ang sama na to, ang B this time, since ari man ta mag-inertia sa y-axis, ang B na to is dy upper minus y lower. Then ang atong height is this one, which is dx. So mao na siya itong i-cube all over 12. Plus the transfer moment, we have the area. So inertia integral na siya. We have this one for area, we have y upper minus y lower. Then for the distance, so di ba nga to ang centroid sa to ang vertical strip is at this point. So this dimension, this is x. So x na siya. So therefore, ang atong d distance is ang atong x squared dx. So again, this portion, ang atong d cube is our dx, ang katong height sa tuang strip, kani nga height. So kani siya is very small value. Then i-cube pag yun, let's say 0.000 something, i-cube, samot siya kagamay. Then i-multiply pa dyan dire samot siya og ka gamay. So this portion is negligible. So for IY, that's why we have y upper minus y lower x squared dx. It's for IY. Now for IX, if dire na po ta mag-moment of inertia at the x-axis, ang atong ma-height na pod is dy upper minus y lower. So following the formula for IC, base na to is ang dx. Then ang atong height is dy upper minus y lower, then i-cube all over 12 plus the transfer moment by x. That's this portion, area, ito area. Plus, so this is y upper minus y lower. Now, ang atong distance sa center sa atong strip, this one, padong sa atong x-axis, diba? This is y upper plus y lower all over 2. So we have y upper plus y lower all over 2. And this is square. So, square ang atong d direct, dx. So, kaning nga portion, this is not negligible. Kaya naman tayo value sa atong y upper minus y lower. So, therefore, the correct formula for vertical strip, IY, is we have x1 to x2. IX is we have y upper minus y lower cube dx all over 12 plus y upper minus y lower times y upper plus y lower all over 2 quantity raised to the power of 2 dx. This is x1 to x2. So this is the correct formula. So kaning part, this is not negligible. Kaya again, we have the value for y upper minus y lower. Now for the horizontal strip, if this is our area to be considered, we're using a horizontal strip. So center gyapon na dire. So if mag ix ta, so this is our x-axis. So if diri ta mag moment of inertia sa x-axis, kani maoy ato ang height. Then this is our base. So remember that this is x right minus x left. And then this portion is our dy. So for ix, again, inertia is equals to inertia center plus the transfer moment. So we have base na to is x right minus x left times our height nga dy cube. So we have IC is BH cube all over 12 plus the transfer moment. We have x right minus x left times the d squared. So ang atoang distance sa atoang center padong sa atoang kuhaan og moment of inertia, which is about x-axis. So this is always y. So therefore, this is y squared dy. So same with the vertical strip. Again, this portion is very, 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 very small to the extent na it is negligible. So negligible, so we will have Ix is equal to y1 to y2, x right minus x left, y squared dy. And as for our Iy, dili na po ta mag-moment of inertia sa y-axis. So this time, ang atong dy, if sa y-axis na po ta, ang atong dy mo na po ni mahimong base na to. And then this one, mo na po ni mahimong height na to. So sa IC, BH cube over 12, we have base na to is dy, height na to is x right minus x left cube all over 12 plus the transfer moment. So this is y1 to y2, y1 to y2. Transfer moment, we have the area x right minus x left times its distance, centroidal distance or moment arm. Padong diri sa y-axis. This is x right plus x left all over 2. So times x right plus x left all over 2 square dy. So we have this formula for Ix and Iy. So pala ko correction sa inyong formula sa Iy sa horizontal and Ix sa vertical. So katong problem ganiha, kama mo na to ang problem ganiha. So this is 0, 0. This is 4, 8. This is 3, 9. And this is 1 again. So sa paggama sa inyong equations dire, di ba nahog man nga 5 ka horizontal strips. So dire nga portion, ang right end niya is touching the right part sa imong parabola. So you will be using the positive square root of y plus 1 plus 1. Then dire nga portion sa yang left nga tip, it's touching the left side of the other parabola, kani nga portion. So therefore, you will be using the negative square root of negative y plus 9 plus 3. So ato ni siyang isa-isahon pag solve, and let's see if maka-come up ba ta sa pila to answer. We have 102 So again, it's sa right end touching the right part sa parabola. So we will have the positive value. So we have square root of negative y plus 9 plus 3 minus, what's the left end equation?
Na, 9 ram.
Kaning nga line, sa maning nga line. Kani.
X.
X equals, so 3 man ang atong x coordinate. So this is x equals to